Trifold Guide, Loading Effect and Operation. First, we open the locks on both sides of the trifold guide. Pull the lifting handles on both sides of the second section guide. Pull out the second guide and open the support rod. Make the guide more stable. Then open the last slope to form a slope with the ground. At this time, family members who use wheelchairs can be pushed onto the platform. The wheelchair can be easily pushed into the car with the help of the slope. The guide plate can bear 350 kilograms. After sending the family into the car, we need to enter the vehicle to secure the wheelchair. First, engage the wheelchair's parking brake to prevent movement inside the vehicle. Then, the wheelchair restraint system should be securely activated. The wheelchair restraint system employs a disc-type docking mechanism for quick-release operation. For safety reasons, the restraint hooks must not be pulled out directly. Once the red release button beneath the restraint system is pressed, the hooks may now be smoothly withdrawn. Rotate black tensioning spindles clockwise to secure wheelchairs here. The same procedure should be mirrored for the remaining securing points. After securing, attach integrated safety belt to hooks post-securing. Align the buckle end with the top anchor point until an audible click confirms engagement. Mirror integrated safety belt procedure on opposite side to complete occupant restraint system. Adjust belt length as needed via integrated tensioning feature. Verify restraint integrity, stow lift platform upon confirmation. After getting off the bus, we must first fold the wheelchair three-fold assist ramp. When the ramp is folded, the support rods also need to be folded. After the recovery is completed, lock the locks on both sides to avoid shaking while driving. Once fixed, the process of loading the vehicle with the guide plate is completed. When we need to use a ramp to exit the vehicle. Also, after opening the trunk, first release the safety latch. Use the lifting handles on both sides of the guide to open the guide outwards again. When the guides are fully opened, proceed to mid-vehicle entry. Disengage restraints by holding red release buttons to retract hooks. Apply identical procedures to all remaining restraint systems. Unfasten safety belt immediately after restraint release. Confirm audible release and zero tension. Integrated restraint systems should remain vehicle mounted with periodic inspections. Per usage frequency. Disengage integrated safety belt by depressing quick release tab forward. Reattach safety belt via positive anchor engagement. Release wheelchair parking brakes only after all restraints are fully disengaged. Pushing a family member who uses a wheelchair back to the ground. The surface of the guide plate is anti-slip with a pattern that can effectively increase resistance. Finally, we put away the product and completed the whole process of getting off the car using the guide plate. Special reminder, be sure to close the safety lock after each use of the wheelchair guide to prevent the device from shaking during driving. Mingaw Welfare Chair protects every person with limited mobility to travel freely.